skilled MBA case study series in general management. Blue Star, a major player in air conditioning, is tackling a significant issue, reducing compressor costs from Beijing Cooling Systems, their exclusive supplier. This negotiation is crucial as compressors account for a substantial portion of production costs. The focus is on leveraging Blue Star's market position and fostering collaboration between procurement and engineering to achieve cost efficiency. Blue Star, a Mumbai-based leader in air conditioning, faces a cost challenge as compressors account for 40% of an air conditioning unit's materials. Beijing Cooling Systems holds a strong negotiating position due to its scale and proprietary technology. Collaboration between procurement and engineering is crucial to secure price concessions. Diagnosing supplier leverage involves identifying power dynamics in single-sourced relationships. Formulating a negotiation strategy requires a multidimensional approach to rebalance terms. Aligning cross-functional stakeholders ensures a unified negotiation front. Mitigating supply risk involves designing risk-sharing mechanisms that reward suppliers while ensuring continuity. Evaluating trade-offs is crucial to balance short-term savings with long-term innovation and partnership viability. Blue Star Ltd, established in 1943, is a leader in commercial and residential air conditioning systems with a robust brand presence in India and the Gulf. Maintaining high quality is crucial, as any lapse could significantly harm its market reputation. Beijing Cooling Systems, a leading compressor manufacturer, holds key patents on high-efficiency models. Compressors are vital for performance and energy efficiency in air conditioning systems. Currently, Blue Star sources these at a premium price with limited volume discounts. BCS's market dominance means they have little incentive to lower prices without compensation. BCS's proprietary technology grants it significant leverage due to limited alternatives. Procurement must align with research and development and finance for comprehensive solutions. Negotiation levers extend beyond price, including technology co-development and joint intellectual property. Risk mitigation involves dual sourcing and buffer inventories. Balancing cost reductions with collaborative innovation is crucial for next-generation compressors. Utilize the supplier power matrix to evaluate BCS against Blue Star on supply risk, switching costs, and volume importance. Apply the total cost of ownership model to compare current and projected costs. Assess Blue Star's best alternative to a negotiated agreement and identify the zone of possible agreement by mapping cost boundaries. Use the negotiation scorecard to prioritize issues and guide concessions. To strengthen its position, Blue Star can enhance negotiation power by identifying quick wins. Research and development and operations should collaborate on cost reduction proposals, ensuring alignment and efficiency. Evaluating the feasibility of qualifying a second compressor supplier can diversify risk and improve leverage in negotiations. BCS might value non-price concessions, like extended payment terms or exclusive access to new technologies for lower prices. Blue Star can structure agreements with quality benchmarks and penalty clauses to ensure supply integrity. Maintaining leverage while fostering collaboration requires balancing competitive pricing with shared innovation goals, ensuring mutual benefits and sustained partnership growth. Exploring strategic alternatives, a joint cost reduction program aligns incentives and unlocks design-to-cost savings, but requires investment and sensitive intellectual property discussions. Volume consolidation with long-term contracts offers steady revenue and deeper discounts, but limits flexibility. A dual sourcing pilot creates a credible best alternative to a negotiated agreement and reduces dependency, though it involves time-consuming qualification and higher initial prices. Technology licensing shares research and development costs and aligns on roadmap, offering potential joint intellectual property. Co-development fosters shared investment in next-generation compressors. In-house development provides ultimate control over design and cost, eliminating dependence. A feasibility study evaluates capital expenditure needs and the technology learning curve, ensuring informed decision-making. A win-win partnership fosters long-term collaborative innovation, ensuring balanced risk-sharing through joint development and shared rewards. Supply security is achieved with guaranteed volumes and flexible pricing tiers. Cost optimization is realized through immediate price concessions on current models, enhancing both parties' value and stability. Holistic negotiation emphasizes technical collaboration for effective cost reduction. Building a strong best alternative to a negotiated agreement, or best alternative to a negotiated agreement, enhances your negotiating position. A cross-functional strategy unites value creation while maintaining product performance. A balanced partnership fosters supply security and continuous improvement, ensuring mutual benefits and long-term success. Compressors account for up to 40% of an air conditioning unit's bill of materials, making cost management crucial. Establishing at least 2 viable supplier options enhances negotiation leverage. Optimal contract lengths of 3 to 5 years provide a balance between price stability and flexibility, ensuring both cost efficiency and adaptability in supplier relationships. Thank you for taking the time to explore Skilled MBA. We appreciate your interest and support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, we're just a message away. For inquiries, reach us via mobile at +91 87553 00795, email support@skilledmba.com. Visit us www.skilledmba.com. We look forward to connecting with you.